Hello Universe! Good morning everyone! Ngayon is Linggo. It's time for the training ng mga dynamo. Dito po ngayon ako sa training site. Ito yung pangalan ng team ko. Dynamo and Prime Credit, our sponsor. This is how looks like. Every Sunday, we're here for the training site. Hang Pachin, kanya-kanya yung kanya-kanyang, yes, we're coming. Ito yung mga ka-teammates ko, darating. Mabuhay, welcome to vlog. Ito yung swimmer namin at si Shuban. Ito ang aming captain, the best, yes. Hola, Hispaniola.